David with Rapid Materials here. Today we're going to open a box that we received from Freund. It's got some cool stuff in it. Let's take a look. So first of all, we have packaging material, but the gold is right here. So how many of you guys are familiar with Perkeo tools? But Perkeo is a really wonderful soldering iron, but it doesn't come with much of anything to make it work. So Freund has bundled all those things together and they put them in a really cool box. We're going to take a look at it and see what we've got. So let's take a look and see what we have here. Nicely constructed box. Everything is well packaged. Remove packing material. And first things we have are wrapped up here. And let's see what we got. Ooh, a bag. And inside the bag, we have a fitting adapter. We're going to need that when we attach the hose. We have a quick release for the hose. This is a resting foot for the Perkeo soldering iron. And we have a flame shield or a wind shield, also from Perkeo. Good products. Remove the little tray. Big old beeper. This is like Christmas. We have a soldering iron tip. Hey! And we have another soldering iron tip, because this kit comes with two. And then we have our Perkeo soldering iron. And we have a hose. So it looks like we have everything here except for a regulator, and we sell regulators. They're pretty inexpensive. And let's just take a look at this, see how everything goes together. They've given us everything we need to get this ready to go. The only thing you would need to purchase separately would be a pressure regulator to mount it to your propane tank. But assembly for this part is pretty simple. You have an adapter, which is going to thread on to the end of the soldering iron. It's a reverse thread, and I'm not going to tighten these, but you'd want to tighten them with a wrench, obviously. Your quick connect adapter, which pops apart. This will also thread on, and this is also a left-handed thread. So you get that part, and then the other end of the adapter will thread into a hose, like so. When you're ready to solder, you can just pop them together and off you go. The windscreen slides onto your soldering iron. So let's take a look at this. This is going to go here. We want our windscreen right about there. So let's leave it a little bit loose for now. And adjust something like that, get it where you want it. Pretty well set up. And then the foot, that's a nice little thing to have. Oops. Now it's like so. And once you have it attached, it'll give you a resting point for your tool. Really nice quality. Again, everything's Perkeo except for the hose and the quick release. This quick release is designed for use with gas. It's everything you're going to need except for a pressure regulator. Simple as that. Comes in a nice box. Great to use. All right, so everything you need in this kit is included except for a pressure regulator. The pressure regulator is sold separately on RapidMaterials.com. It's really economical. It's designed to thread into the hose with no adapter needed, and the other end will screw into any standard US propane tank. Thanks for watching our video today. For more information, visit RapidMaterials.com or our YouTube channel.